How to choose the right solar battery for your home. Hey everyone, John here from My Solar Home. If you're looking to install a solar battery or wondering whether one's right for your home, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down everything we need to know about choosing the right battery from types, sizing, features, and costs to the one hidden mistake that could often wreck your ROI. Let's jump in then. So, why are batteries suddenly becoming non negotiable? The old playbook of sell your solar back to the grid is dead in many, many states. Utilities are paying just pennies per kilowatt hour for your extra solar energy, while charging you 5 to 10 times that during evening peak hours. A well sized battery fixes that. It lets you store your cheap solar energy and use it when the rates spike or when the power goes out. But not all batteries are created equal. So, one, start with your goals. There are three main reasons homeowners add batteries. One is backup power. You want to keep your lights on during a blackout. Two is time of use bill management. You're trying to avoid high evening electricity rates. Three is off grid living. You want to be completely self sufficient. Now, knowing your primary goal is the first step to choosing the right size and type. Number two, let's look at lithium ion versus other chemistries. Nearly all modern solar batteries today use lithium iron phosphate LFP. And why? Because they're safer, and the older lithium ion, they have less risk of thermal runaway compared to them. They have longer lifespans, typically 6,000 to 10,000 cycles. They're much better in high heat, so they're perfect for garages or outdoors. And you avoid lead acid or nickel based chemistries unless you're on a niche and you maybe want to go off grid where costs matter. Three is AC versus DC coupled batteries. Here's the key: AC coupled batteries like Tesla Powerwall, Enphase 5P, the Franklin WH are easier to retrofit onto existing solar systems. They have their own inverter. DC coupled batteries like SolarEdge are more efficient but often require matching with specific inverters, usually for new installs. Now, if you're starting from scratch, DC coupled may give you better round trip efficiency. But if you already have panels and inverters installed, AC coupled is simpler. Number four is battery size. It's all about your usage. You need to know your average daily usage, especially in winter months. Backup only size for 1 day of December usage. Time of use saving size for about 60% of your peak daily load. Off grid, plan for 3+ days of usage and extra solar to recharge. If it's too small, you won't even cover your needs. If it's too large, you'll overspend for storage you rarely use. Check out my video where I've looked at this in great detail. Number five, the top battery brands to consider in 2025. Tesla Powerwall 3 is a hybrid inverter with 13.5 kWh storage, a slick app, and great brand trust. The Enphase 5P battery is modular, AC coupled, seamless with all Enphase solar systems. The Franklin A Power 2 is powerful, 15 kilowatt hours, handles high surge loads, great for large homes. The SolarEdge home battery, this is DC coupled, a great match for new builds with SolarEdge inverters. Point Guard, it's pretty flexible, reliable, and a good value pick for smart homeowners. So each has its strengths. It all depends on your home's needs and whether you're retrofitting or starting fresh. Number six is monitoring apps and smart features. Some batteries come with outstanding apps like the Tesla and the Enphase. They let you see usage, solar production, backup stats, and more. Look for smart load control features, which automatically prioritize essential appliances during outages. This can double your backup runtime. Number seven is incentives and payback. Many states still offer incentives, like the 30% tax credit is still active until at least 2032. In California, batteries now pay for themselves in just 6 to 8 years under the new NEM 3 plan. In the Northeast or in Texas, the ROI is lower unless you're focused on backing up power or you have time of use billing. So, final thoughts, batteries aren't cheap, but they're getting smarter, more affordable, and increasingly essential. The key is choosing the right battery for your goals and making sure your installer properly sizes it based on your actual usage and your utilities rules. That's exactly what we do here at My Solar Home. If you want a personalized battery sizing report or help choosing the best system, reach out at mysolarhome.us. We'll give you an honest quote, no fluff, no pressure. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe if this helped, and check out my other videos comparing the top solar batteries in 2025.